Okay guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So on today's tutorial we'll be talking about how to use Canva. So I'm going to show you 3 steps on how you can use Canva very well and how you can perfect your designs through Canva. Very 3 simple steps. So we are going to talk about how to use the Canva templates, how to format a text, and color usage. So these are the 3 things we'll be looking into. I'll try as much as I can to make the video very snappy, but trust me, is going to be detailed. Okay, let's quickly jump into it. So you go to the website canva.com. So when you open canva.com, this is the home page. This is how it looks like. So let's assume we want to make a design for Instagram, so if you can master this usage of Canva very well, you don't have any issue using Adobe packages again. So Canva will make all your designs very easy for you. So we go to create a design. We select Instagram post because we want to use Instagram post for an example. You can see the size 1080 by 1080, that's the standard square. So this is the result, right? This is the shape. So let's select a template. So when you come to Canva, you can see we have a column for template. This is the work area. This is where you do your design. This is the main work area where you do your design. So this is where you can select your templates. You can as well search for any template of your choice here, whereas this is like a menu bar where we can change text, upload pictures, or choose from elements if we want to choose any element. So I select these templates. Let's work with these templates. So I'll be very fast about it. Remember, we are looking into the usage of color, text, and formatting. These are the 3 things we are going to look into: usage of template, formatting text, and use of color. Okay, so let's start by formatting this design entirely to a different thing. So I like blue related colors or family of blue. So let me check. This is like a color palette. When you come here, it will open this place for you where you choose your preferred color. Yeah, this is my color. I love this color very well. So I can as well select this, click on color, and choose my preferred color. Right, you can see I've changed this. Now for the text, I can easily click on this, or rather click on this yellow. When I double click on it, it will be highlighted. So I double click on it, I come to text color because I want to format that text. I want to change it to what I want. So I come here, I select it. It will not change to blue. You can see we are having a different design of this, right? So I'll change this to, I'll change it to blue. I'll change this to blue because I'm making my own design. This is cool, right? Okay, so if we want to change this picture as well, maybe you have a picture from your laptop or from your phone you want to use, because this is a default picture. This is the picture that came with the template. You can as well come to upload, and I decide to upload a file from here, or if I don't want to upload a file, I can leave. So for me, I want to use this particular picture. I like the picture. So, but if I wish to ignore this, try for free, ignore this. This is because I'm using the free version for this tutorial. So, but if you wish to change this picture, just click on upload. If you click on upload, you click on upload file to come out like this. You can choose any picture of your choice from your computer and click open. The picture will come here and you can just use the picture. As I mean, I want to use maybe this picture, for instance. You can see I can now use the picture, but right now I don't want to use it. So that's how to change picture. Okay, so let's go back to the job. Okay, so to format a text, okay, maybe if I don't like this text name is in the family of Barlow Condense. So you can see this is where we can select or change our text, but this is the one we are using now, Barlow Condensed Bold. So I might decide to change it to Roboto, for instance. This is Roboto. You can see the effects. It has affected my design, so I can drag to expand it more, or I might decide to reduce the font size. You can see I'm reducing the font size from here, from this place. It has reduced, right? So any other thing I want to type, this is a tutorial video. I can change this to book now. It's as simple as that, right? It's as simple as that, right? All you need to do is just to pay attention to it. Now there is what we call text alignment. When you're creating a design, there's what we call alignment. So now you make sure that your design looks so professional. When you can see the line in between. When I click and hold, you can see something like a grid line showing. Yeah, you can use it to measure your alignment. See, you can see between the graphics and design and agency, you can see the line ruled in between. Let me bold it so that you can see what I'm talking about. So you can see the line, right? That shows you that it's in alignment. So assuming this one goes off from the alignment, you can see where the line is. Well, if I want it to align, I will click and drag so that all my graphics will be positioned very well. Alignment is very important. It makes your graphic appear very neat. You know, what again? So most times when you type, okay, let me give you an instance. If I drag this, if I select this text here, this particular text now, if I bring it like this, you can see it has created 3 columns, but no, I want it to be in a very single column, so I can drag this to maintain it this way. You can see, right? If I want to make the text bold, I select the text, I click on bold button. It's bolder now, right? So this is our design. It's as simple as ABC. So if you are watching this video and you want me to go in depth on this, please give me a comment. Tell me what you want me to do next on this Canva video, and I will prepare the video and make it available to everyone. Thank you, and keep on watching and keep learning every day.